Hey dear users. Welcome to the Multi-Store Inventory for WooCommerce plugin tutorial. Today, we're going to explore the Enable module feature and how to assign a store's stock, pricing, and sales price to the product of our plugin. To use the plugin, go to WooCommerce option. Under Store Locator plugin. The Enable module option allows users to see store locations of certain products on either the product page or on the cart page. Turn on this Enable module. Store Location Selection Types option allows you to select 3 different types of store appearance. That'll display either on your product page or cart page. You can select any of the store location selection types like drop-down, radio, or search box layout. Just for the sake of demonstration, we'll choose Select drop-down option layout. Now see another cool page selection feature. Here you can select any of the widgets to display on the page like cart page, product page, or you can also use the local pickup feature. Also, go to Products tab and enable the location-wise product pricing feature. So your products will have separate pricing for each location. Now head back to Global Add. Now hit the button to save the settings. To assign store locations to products, go to All Products under the WooCommerce plugin and click the All Products. Here you can see all the products inside this Product Central. Edit any product. For example, we're editing the burgundy suit product. Scroll down to see the location option. Click the location option. Now you can see all the store locations, their stock, and the stock status. Scroll down a bit, you can see Fashion Style Store is inactive. To activate it, click the Edit. Click the first product variation drop-down menu. Assign stock quantity. You can also edit store price and sale price. Turn on store availability option. Also enable the product location option as well. Save the changes. Close the modal. Now scroll up and let's find the Fashion Style Store. Now Fashion Style Store is active and stock quantity updated as well. Before we are going to view all the changes in the front end, let's update the page. Now open the URL in the new tab and see the changes. Scroll down a bit and select the dummy product size. Select product color as well. Just below the stock, you can see our drop-down widget. Click it. Now you are able to see all the list of store locations that are active. For demonstration purposes, we'll select Fashion Style Store. Now you can see the Fashion Style Store stock for this product. Here is another cool feature. Simply click the geolocation icon. It'll show you how far you are from the store in miles. Click the Add to Cart button, and you're good to go. Now select the shipping method. That is either free shipping or local pickup in this particular case. Now proceed to the checkout. Enter your billings details and hit the Continue button. Now you can clearly see the store name, from where you purchased the product. Now place the order. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials for multi-store inventory for WooCommerce plugin. Until then, goodbye.